at a lunch for opposition leaders was hosted by Congress President Sonia Gandhi. This was to build consensus for a candidate for India's next president as Pranab Mukherjee's term ends this July. The meeting, which coincides with 3 years of the NDA government, will also be a test of the unity amongst all opposition parties. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav, CPIM Sitaram Yechury, CPI's D. Raja and JDU leader Sharad Yadav attended the lunch. Mamata Banerjee later said that all parties wanted a secular candidate, but no name was discussed.
For presidential election, the decision is that let us wait for the consensus candidate. So let us know the names, and if it suits all of us, then everybody will support the consensus candidate. If it is not consensus, then our committee will sit together again and they will decide.
Which is the committee, madam? Who all of the committee?
I think they will set up some committee, small committee. Everybody is in a favor that if the candidate is good and secular and they are familiar with the constitution, then we may support the consensus candidate. If it is accepted by all. Or otherwise they will sit and they will decide the candidate.
Pranab Dada's name be acceptable? Can Pranab Dada's name be...
Therefore, no name is being discussed.
All right, Sunil Prabhu joining us for more on that on the phone line. Sunil, you've been tracking this story now for a while. What, according to you, are the chances of the opposition uniting and coming up with a consensus candidate?
Well, the opposition is already united, and they have decided that they will wait for the government of the day to build, to propose a candidate. And if they find it secular and acceptable to them, they will endorse that candidature. In case they find that candidate not acceptable in terms of being an upholder of the constitution or being a secular person, then a small committee will be set up to decide on an alternative name to take out the Narendra Modi-led candidate. So it's in that backdrop that we will have to wait and watch and see how things evolve. Having said that, all opposition parties have come out with a joint statement attacking the Narendra Modi government for the way it handled the Kashmir issue, or for that matter Sahanpur, and the demonetization as well as other aspects of the Narendra Modi government.
Right, Sunil. Mamata Banerjee also said that no names have been discussed, but are you getting any indications right now?
Well, officially there was no names discussed. Informally, they would definitely look at who the government of the day would propose, who would be the candidates that could be zeroed in. As I said, there is a near unanimity amongst opposition parties on the present incumbent if he agrees to contest. But that, of course, as we've been reporting, will only be done if the government of the day nominates him. So it's in the fitness of things now that the opposition will wait and watch and see how the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whom he proposes and how he goes about the entire process.